My wife and I are often conflicted over the AC in our bedroom. While she likes it really hot, I like it frigid. But that's not the only problem with our sleeps. In fact, alarm clocks are one of the worst inventions of mankind because it jolts you every morning from your sleep, releasing very high quantities of stress hormone. And if you do that to yourself every single day, it actually makes you a more anxious person. Which is why sleep tech is an upcoming industry in the world. In fact, in the West, there are companies which have released mattresses where both sides of the bed have different temperatures ranging from 15 to 45 degrees. Not just that, their alarm function doesn't make a sound. In fact, it just changes the temperature, increasing it gradually so that you wake up at the predefined time. Not just that, it monitors your heart rate, your breathing patterns, and accordingly adjusts the softness or hardness of the mattress. While these mattresses actually sell for about $1.5 to 3 lakh in the US market, I feel through Jugaad innovation, in the next 2 years, this product should enter the Indian market and sell as an add-on to your mattress for about 15 to 20,000 rupees. It could be a massive opportunity for business. Share it with someone who may need it.